Yes, what it is Blue Frog. Got 4 more boxes of the Topps Chrome 2024. I got 6 boxes, but I think I'm going to open 4 of them. Let's see what we got here. Hey, I want to give a shout out to Caesar Abreu GU 9IQ. What's up, dude? Thanks for the info on the cards. Bro, if you need any cards for this, like to finish a set or anything, let me know, bro. I'll mail you cards for free. Or anybody else. If you want some cards, all you got to do is put in the comments. You got to subscribe, which is free. Give it a like. Tell me you want some of these cards, and I will mail them to you for free. Of course, we got Ahsoka. We're going for something big. I can feel it in my bones. We'll see if we can get anything good today. I'm not going to sit there and name off every dude. We're going to get into the nitty gritty. So we got the refractor, Freddy. Just a refractor. It's Saturday. Hope you guys have been having a good start to the weekend. What do you do when you got Boba Fett on your side? And Mando. Dude, those 2 cards seem to happen like back to back. And that's 19 and 21, so they're close. But they always seem to be back to back for me, bro. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got Chewbacca. Dude, I think I already got this one. From the Galactic a Rebel Alliance. Let me get that straight. Dude, we got a red Obi-Wan. That's one of the special refractors that you get in the blaster box. Let's see. Come on, baby. We got Wicket. And a refractor of Morgan. We got I Am Not Your Faja Haja. Ooh, I like Ray, bro. I'm sure I've already, you're like, oh, we know. You've told us. Got the Eris. And a red Q90. Dude, hitting hits in this is not easy, bro. I've opened a lot of boxes. Got a refractor of Qui-Gon Jinn. We got the Beemoos. Jyn Erso. We got another Eris card. And a red, the Duchess. Yeah, after I get done breaking all these boxes, I've been setting all the cards up into sets, and I'll let you guys, I'll do another video on how much, how many sets you can expect to hopefully get, all that type of goodness. How close I am to completing a set in red or in the refractor version. Let me know, Vader. Let me know if you guys need some of these cards to fulfill your set. It's easier to just say, hey, dude, can I have that card? And I mail it to you for free instead of buying one. We got Paz. And then there's 1 pack left of this box. Plus, dude, if I was collecting hardcore like I used to, I would have loved it if somebody was just giving free cards away. I'd be hitting that dude up all the time. Nothing there. Rise of Palpatine. Palpatine and a red. So, dude, that box didn't have really anything. I'm like, where do I put that card? Dude, I didn't really have anything special for us, bro. Maybe because I didn't scare it with the switchblade. Give it up. Oh, that's a good way, too. You got to throw your cards around so they know that you mean business, bro. All right, what do we got here? Whip. Dude, there we go. Osaka. Gear graduate. Or, I mean, dude, I always do that, don't I, man? Galactic gear. That's totally what I meant to say. And refractor of the Mothma. Throw them empty packs. She's aye, Captain. She could captain my ship. Hey, nah. Plundering the booties where we cross the line on the talk. Dude, look at that. We got an Imperial Guard, bro. And that is the Galactic Empire. And a red Luke. Oh, come on. And a refractor. Come on, 1 of 1. Give me an auto. I want a Princess Leia autograph, bro. And we got the Heiress and a red Haja. Yo, I saw somebody comment on my thing. They got themselves a red Chewbacca to 5. That would be sick. With the power of Grogu, anything can happen. And a refractor of the K. We got Fixer. Ray. Another Heiress. Another red card. Dude, you could almost guess what the cards are going to be coming out of this shit. That's not good. Tops. And our refractor. Dude, these blaster boxes are actually kind of boring, bro. They need to bring some... Dude, I don't know if I've seen Swamp Thing. Well, I've had to, because I completed one set of this. I just don't remember him. Jenner, so I remember her. We got the Palpatine. A red Mothma. Dude, what is they doing to us? Let's try another box. How's that? We're ripping boxes like our lives depended on it. Throw the box. And we got the young Lando. And Uncle Owen refractor. Dude, we got Vader time. Look at that, dude. That's sick. I don't know if I've got that one yet. I hope I don't. In a red. Vader's #1. You're #1 for me, Vader. Ooh, we got the Praetorian Guard. Dude, I've got that card so many times, I'm about ready to throw that one in the fucking garbage. We got an Aerith and a red Jar Jar Binks. Ooh, is the Mandalorian after Boba Fett, you guys? Oh, did I call that or what? Told you. I know exactly what's going on around here, and I'm not digging it. Snoke. Eris with Grogu, the red Kanan Cannon. Potato. Kira, dude, I needed that card too, because that's the last card of the set. I'm #150. Opening this shit too much if I know exactly what I needed. But I'm glad I got it. Dude, what is up with this motherfucker? I know, watch your language. There could be children. Ooh, we got the red 3CPO. That's still nothing to write home about. How about another one? DJ Khaled. I don't know why. Just like a habit, you got to show that empty box. Even though I'm ripping for myself, I just want to know that I'm not ripping myself off. We got Bubba in the refractor. Let me put some of these over here. Dude, that's a lot of cards, bro. Han Solo. I know I've got that dude before. Galactic Empire. Another red Morgan. Dude, I do not want to spend like $400 or something crazy for a box of this stuff. I'm not into it that much, dude. I'd rather buy some gold or silver for that. Mando. Because gold and silver is going to be worth a lot more than these cards are. I can tell you that much. Another Eris. And a red Paz. Ooh, Trooper. He's a pooper trooper. Okay, we've got the Kelgon, however you say his name, bro. I don't know how to say it. Ooh, General. That's kind of a nice color to it, with some purples going on in the background. That's just a regular refractor. There's the back of that dude. Okay. I've already got that card like 10 times today, bro. Had enough of these. Yeah, I should just mail a package of a bunch of this back to Topps and say, here's your crap, bro. Give me my money. And there's our refractor. Last pack of the 4th box, and we haven't really gotten, whoa, anything all that awesome, dude. What is, this is not making me very happy. Palpatine, Moff Gideon, red. What do you think? Keep going? Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez, let me see if I can reach these other boxes. I also got a bunch of boxes of this, the Avengers Universe metal. I got 4 boxes of that still for future breaks. All right, here's box number 5. Dude, I hope we're pleasantly surprised. Whoa, dude, it's blue. What is that you got? Oh, you guys, we're going to save that for last, bro. I think we finally hit something, dude. Holy moly. We got it. Oh my God. Watch this be a hot box. And it just coming at us with them bangers. Oh, we got another Osaka, which I'm happy with Osaka. Tatooine Beast Mode. Holy cow, you guys, we got something. Oh, another Imperial Guard. Ooh, we got Wicket. Ooh, that card goes right there. Yeah, good thing I kept going, right, guys? That would have sucked if I would have stopped and been like, sorry, thank you, come back next time. Come again. We got the armor. We got Ned Flanders. Another Eris. And we got the Red Ray. That's dope, dude. I like it. Oh, I'm having such a hard time not looking at that one card. It's going to be so fly. Kaya. Oh, yeah. Hot Mama Ayla in refractor version. Refracto Vision. Count Dooku. And Eris. Red Wedge Chilies. Last pack of box number 5. Since I said I'd open all 6 of them, I'm going to have to open all 6 of them, even though... And a modifier. There we go. I said I'd do it, so we're going to do it. And then I can... Whoa, now. Then I can see how many sets I got out of opening a bajillion boxes. Like I said, if you need any of these cards, just hit me up in the comments saying you need some cards. I'll give you my email address. You can email me what your address and stuff is, and then I'll mail you some cards for free. But I'm not going to give you that blue card or whatever it was. That's too freaking awesome, bro. You don't believe me? Ask Yoda. Rise of Palpatine. We got the Red Han Solo burger. Yeah, plus then I'm going to have to look up what the odds of getting that card is and put that in like the thumbnail, you know. Because I'm not going to sit here and waste everybody's time trying to figure it out. You'd be like, bro, you should have already done your research. Vader. Whoa, it's upside down. Why would you go upside down with the director? Is he messed up? No. He's not messed up. Galactic Empire. And motherfucking snakes on a motherfucking plane. In red. Yeah, watch your language, you guys. Dude, it's like a beast pack. Oh, nice. I don't have this card. Captain Phasma? Dude, that's cool. We got Boba Fett's Rancor, but let's check that out. Yeah. Yeah, even my screen was like, whoa, bro. You know, would you look at that? We got the Commissioner. Leia. The Heiress. Again. Qui-Gon Jinn. In red. I'm totally mixing these up, aren't I? Palpatines go over there. We got a good card, you guys. Oh, I'm so stoked. And twins. He's like, you're talking about twins, aren't you? Count Dooku. 2 packs left, then we're going to discover our out-of-this-world intergalactic card. Grand Admiral Thrawn. We got the Heiress looking back like, you looking at my butt? You looking at my Janet? We got Noob. All right, let's end to that. Okay, we're going for it, you guys. Whew. Gotta get ready. Gotta pop your knuckles. All right. Here we go. Oh my God, we're going to do it, you guys. We're going to... Oh, man, dude, look at all that color of blueness around it. Oh, we're going to have to then go from the back and totally... Captain Rex in red. Emperor Palpatine. All right, you guys ready for this one? All right, let's do this on 3. Oh, bro, I started on 1. Okay, we're going on 1. 1. Oh, dude, it's no. Oh my God, dude, we just got an autograph numbered to 199 out of the. Whew. Oh my God, I'm trying not to faint. Look at that shit, bro. What's the odds of pulling the auto to 199 out of a blaster box? Oh shit. Okay, I'm gonna put it into something before I faint and drop it. Oh, but dude, look at the color on that. Yeah, bro. We freaking did it, you guys. Pulled an auto out of a freaking blaster. But dude, that's got to be like 1 in 5,000. Dude, I don't know. That other card I got was like 1 out of 30,000. This could be like 1 out of 1,000,000, bro. Holy shit, dudes. We did it. We pulled a freaking auto. I love it. Star Wars. Let me see if I can get this in and zoom in a little bit. Look at that. Star Wars Chrome autograph of Julia Jones as O'Mara. Yes, dudes. Holy shit, bro. Look at that. Nah. Nice. All right, let me know what you guys thought of this break. Finally was able to bring the fire. Put the comment below. Yo, let me know if you want some of these cards for free. I will not mail you this card for free, though. But if you need other stuff to fill your set, dude, let me know. I will mail you cards for free. I should have brought the mailer. I've even got the packages to mail them in, the bubble wrap containers. Like, dude, I'm ready. Are you ready? Next video is going to be opening up 4 boxes of this metal universe. Dude, this stuff was $30 a box. So 4's $120. Dude, this was $150 plus tax. But I do it for the love of money. No, I don't do it for the money. I do it for the power. And then you get the girls. Check it. All right, catch y'all later. Thanks for watching. Peace.